Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see about how to write K-maps. K-map means Karnaugh map. These are used for simplifying the Boolean functions. Okay. So suppose a function is there of two variables. So a function of two variables, say x, y. So two variables. So how many terms will be there? That is 2 to the power of 2 means total 4. Okay. So this 4 is this one. This two variable K-map. Two variables. Okay. It is x, y. Okay. Two variables. So total 4 combinations. 0, 1, 2, 3. So x can take 0, 1. Y can take 0, 1. So this position is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0 is 2. 1, 1 is 3. Okay. So for two variable, this is the K-map. For three variables. So 3 means x, y, z. It is a function is a variable of x, y and z. Three variables we are taking. So you can write like this or like this. Your wish. So x, y, two combinations and z is 0, 1. Okay. Or you can write z, x is 0, 1, y, z, four combination. Any way you can write. Okay. So x, y, four combinations are what? 0, 0, 1, 0. You have to write 1, 1 here. This is gray code representation. Each cell in this will be only one bit variation. So for that you have to write here 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. So this 0, 0, 0 will become 0. 0, 0, 1 will be 1. 0, 1, 0 will be 2. And 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 will be 3. And this will be 4. This will be 5. So the 6 and this will be 7. Total 8. 3 variables, 8 combinations. So what about this? So 0, 1, yz 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So all zeros, this is 0. Uh, this is 0, 0, 1. 0, 0 means 1. This is will be 2. This will be 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this will be 6 and 7. Okay, the positions only will change. Okay, if you can write like this or this. Then for four variables x, y, so a function four variables how to write x, y, w and z. Four variables are there. So four variables means 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 blocks is here. So this combination again in gray code 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So how to write? This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this will be 6. This will be 7. And this is here 8, 9, 10 and 11. This will be 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So this is 4 variables, total 16. 0 to 4 means total 6. Okay. So this is how to represent K-maps. So any function, suppose if these terms are 1, you have to write here 1. Suppose this term 3 is 1, min terms. This is 1. This. Okay. If it is not satisfying the function, you have to write with zeros. Okay. So this is how to represent K-maps in two variables, three variables and four variables. Five variables you have to take like this two, and this will be fifth variable. Okay. Say x, y, w, z and q. So here q will be 0 and q will be 1. Okay. You have to draw like this one more 16. Take one more 16 combinations. Okay, same repeat.